Yeah, hello fams, welcome back to Humble Effects. I'm very sorry, it's been a long time that we posted a video on this channel, and it's because I've been very busy with one or two things. And today I'm going to bring to your notice we are about to start an account management program. That is what this video is all about, okay? And it's going to be a no risk offer. All right. We're going to start account management. I hope you guys are doing well. Pardon me. And please, if you are new to the channel, help me, give me a subscribe, like the video, comment on the comment section, and all that. So, to join our account management platform, there are things that you need to do. And before I proceed to that, I'd like to give you a guarantee. At least this our trading. Uh, Miss trading at this point is different. Is account management with the Humble FX team Humble. All right, so you could see what we've done. This is account. This balance you are seeing here is not actual the deposit. This is not the deposit in this account. Yeah, that is not a deposit. The deposit is $100, but at some point when I withdraw, I still fund it again. That's why you are seeing it is now putting as if it's the initial funding is $100, and you could see I used last week. This is last week trade, all right? Last week trade on $100 account, and we are able to generate $1,700 on it. And for today alone, today we had $100. This funding you see here, I just put it today, right? It's not that it was there before. I just put the fund right there. So we did that today, and this is just what we be doing. And I want to because many people are coming asking me for this management stuff, and I've been declining them. So now I want to make it official, and I just need only 10 persons. Yeah, I don't want many people joining the account management. It's just only few. Those are interested and ready and are willing. Okay, so what are the criteria to join this account management program? Right now, the first criteria is that you must be a subscriber of this channel. So click on the subscribe button and be a subscriber. Also click on the bell notification so that anytime I upload new video, you will be among the first to get notified. Now, secondly, you must like the video, this video, okay. And thirdly, yeah, you check on the video description, you will see a link to my Telegram handle or WhatsApp handle. You chat me up saying you are interested in the account management program. Now, fourthly, you have equity of not less than $200. That means the equity list equity to join this program is $200. All right, so this account is not the account I would trade on. Of course, you see that's my account here, and this is my account. Before I know that most of you here always doubt if you see profit. So this is my account here. So what we are going to be doing is that I'm not using this account to trade with you. I'm going to use my other account. I have other account here that I will use to trade with you guys. Okay, so you are going to have at least $200, and that is what we are going to have. And the profit share is 50-50. I'm saying everything here so that you get to know what you are getting into. You don't come and ask me this in my DM. I'm saying it here. The profit share is 50-50, and it is daily. Every single day we trade, you send me my profit. It's a sap. Any day you fail to, then the next day you will not see a trade on your account. So if you are interested and you have a list equity of $200, kindly send me a message now on Telegram or on WhatsApp to get connected. Remember, this offer is valid for 10 persons. 10 position, 10 slot is available. Only 10. Once this offer is completed, once the chance is completed, you might not get access to join again. All right, so if you are ready and you want to join, then this is the time to get into the platform. We are going to start trading once, let me say next week. Yeah, we'll start trading 7 days from today. That is a week from today. A week from today. So I'm giving you guys enough time, enough chance. If you don't have enough equity, to gather your equity and make it up to $200. So if I have up to 10 persons, then I'm going to get started by next week. Then we set up. Remember, this is trading, and there are also tendency of loss, but we do not hope for loss. We only hope for profit, and I believe we are going to do that. All right, we are going to do that. You see this trade. I wanted to take this entry right here in your presence, but I want to just allow it go. You see this trade. That trade, I shall entered it right here. My red line was my entry. This was my entry. And look at, it's a sniper. And see my trade speed should be around here. Okay, this is how we trade in the industry. Okay, so this is a no risk offer, because you don't have to trade. You don't have to know how to trade. You don't know how you don't know how to trade before you join. All you need to do is to register. If you don't have account, you can check on my video description. You will see a link to create your own account. You can create your account and fund it with at least $200. Send me your details. Send me your login details on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and then we get started. All right. This, like I said, this offer is for only 10 peoples, and once this 10 persons is complete, the gate might be closed, except I make another space available. All right, let's do it for you. Why you enjoy the profit? Okay, I'm not going to be risking in your account, so we are going to be employing risk management and all that to trade for you, and you enjoy the profit. Remember, what we look out for is consistency and not a huge profit. Okay, what we look at for is consistency. If we are consistent enough making little profit, it will go a long way than trying to make huge profit and then losing your money. So that is our goal, to be consistent and give you profit at a long run. All right, this is just it. All right, so do well to have your account ready, and contact me as fast as you see this video and you are interested, to keep your space for you. Otherwise you are going to miss out, and once you miss out, it will be when another space is available before you can join. So guys, if you like this program, yeah, comment I am in, right? And get in touch ASAP and join instantly, and let's do it for you. Why you do other things for yourself? All right, guys, enjoy, and until then, I remain humble FX. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell notification, and get notified once a new video is uploaded. Enjoy.